Hello friends, in this video we will show you how to make this light brown Nankhatais at home. So they are really nice, crispy. Everything is vegetarian without any egg. So let's start to make these Nankhatai. Okay, to make Nankhatai, we need first ghee, or I am taking this desi ghee, which is clarified butter, or you can also take unsalted butter. It's almost 3 spoon butter, and then we have to add, this is half cup teaspoon, so I'm adding a powder sugar. This is a powder sugar. It's almost 1 cup of powder sugar, and then now we have to mix this. With a really good consistency. So you have to keep mixing until it make a very good slurry type paste. This sometime it need to be mixed by hand, that will be much better. So you can see it's making really nice consistency. So this is a, you have to keep mixing until it's make a good paste. It's almost ready. You can see ghee or butter and sugar has been mixed. Now I will add some other ingredients. It's ready to add. So now you can see this is a sugar and butter is ready. It's very nice consistency. So I will add now half a cup suji, which is maida, and then we'll add, or you can also say all purpose flour. So suji, not suji is not, this is all purpose flour or maida, and then we will add same amount of besan or chickpea flour. So these two ingredients have been mixed. And third thing, we will add half amount of suji, which is called rava, and or you can say semolina. So I will show you how to add that. So this is I'm taking semolina, half. You can add as per you like it, but just I'm adding half of this one. And in this one I'm adding this coriander, cardamom, sorry, not coriander, it's a cardamom powder. It's a elaichi powder, and you have to keep mixing unless there is any lump remain. So there should not be any lump. Now you can see this, I'm keep mixing it, but I think it still need some more mixing. So I will transfer this in this pan or thali. or you can use any big plate. One thing I will also add here, which is a pinch of salt, a little bit to give a good taste. And now I will keep mixing here. I will add some small amount of milk if it is not mixing properly. So milk is okay to add, but you have to keep mixing so that it can make a good dough. So now you can see it's look like very dry, so I will add a small amount of milk to make a good dough. This will make very good. Sometime this Suzy, all-purpose flour and besan, usually you can mix separate and strain it to remove any lump, but I just mix it here to make a small consistency. Now you can see it start making like good dough. Now you can see after mixing properly, this become very good dough. And now you can take a small piece and make a roll ball. This become we have to make a gentle ball and then press it like peda, and then place in a aluminum tray. So this tray I already have apply a small amount of butter. So let's take another one. Try to make a equal size of these balls, that will be good. So you need to keep a little bit far away, because after that, after heating and baking, they will become big. They expand. You can also use any other shape, whatever you like it. A square will also be good. And then I will make a small hole in the center with my finger, like this. And then here. And then I will fill with these a small amount of dry fruits, which is a pista and almond, so that they will look really yummy. Of course they will be in. We'll keep making more pedas like this one. Now you can see these nice Nankhatai pedas are ready to bake. To bake them, I'm going to heat my oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 300. It's around 360 Fahrenheit. So once the oven will be ready, we'll place these Nankhatai into oven and bake for 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. That will be good. So I would like to show you one more thing, that I was thinking that they will be too thick, so I press them once again to make a almost even thickness, and then place in a 4 different aluminum plate, and they are all have butter or ghee underneath. Now they are ready to bake. Oven is ready. Now you can see I place all these Nankhatai into oven, and the oven is at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degree Fahrenheit. So now I will bake around 15-20 minutes, and that's it. They will be ready. Now you can see within 10 minutes they become like a light brown, so we have to turn. It would be better if we can turn, otherwise you can see they really start turning brown even just 10 minutes. Now you can see our Nankhatais are ready. They are light brown in color, or some of them this like very nicely cooked. It's a little bit brown inside, so I will let them cool at room temperature. Once they will be cool down, they will be really nice and delicious to eat. Yummy.